Today, slugs go up against my Venus flytraps. I came into my carnivorous plant room to find damage to the traps and flytraps that are covered in slugs. And while slugs don't generally eat flytraps as a normal diet, it can happen and they can cause damage. The first slug approaches an open trap, and I think back to another video I shot where a slug was successfully eaten by my flytrap and digested, as you can see here. But this slug is slightly bigger than the trap and is likely to prove a difficult prey. My Venus flytrap and carnivorous plant room, which I call the den, is located in the middle of the countryside, so there are plenty of slugs, snails and other creatures wandering in. And here you can see the previous time we had an infestation of slugs, another video I shot which had interesting consequences. Our little slug here though is still on his way into the trap, slowly probing, using its tentacles, which are retractable sensors. If danger approaches, they pull back instantly like little telescopes. And being unable to see in much detail, they use them to probe, smell and touch to explore the world around them. The trap quickly snaps shut, but the slug is completely unaware. And then, as it's moving into the trap, another one appears, investigating my plant. The trapped slug moves deeper into the trap, pulling its way in using its muscular body. However, as it's only half trapped, this can cause issues for the plant and issues for the slug. A half-caught slug like this can introduce bacteria to the trap and can cause long-term issues for the plant and definitely the trap. And as I continue filming, its friend is back, having a look to see what's going on. Can this slug rescue the other? Can it help? Or is it just looking for a meal? It decides there's nothing it can do, and it heads on out, back deeper into my flytrap room, probably to chew on more of my plants, leaving slime trails everywhere. At this stage, for the safety of the plant and the slug, I very gently intervene. I just use my tweezers to tweak the slug out, and it is saved. He has one more look around my den before I remove him and the other slug back to my garden.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.